Guys, this is really interesting. This is really amazing. I'm just cashing out almost a minimum of 3,000 Ghana cedis every month from this program that I'm running. 3,000 minimum every month guarantee. Sometimes I get 5,000. I've even gotten 10,000 cedis in a month before. Really amazing. Just today, January 22nd, let me show you how I I just cash out my $240 that I just got my that's almost 1,400. Yes, I made my first cash out on 15th January. That was 200 for that was also 1,004, and I've also cashed out another 1,004. That is 2,800. I'm not talking about direct payments that I made. So just send it to my PayPal account. Just cashing out to my PayPal account $240. Haha, this is amazing. It's amazing. Guys, if you are making just $240 in a month, that's 1,004. You are better than most government workers. Yes. So as you can see, withdrawal initiated, and when I refresh the page, see that it will be completed. The funds is already sent to my PayPal account. Okay. Where is it? Okay, let me refresh and then withdrawal completed successfully. Yes, January 22nd, 2022. Yeah, withdrawal successful. So let me go to my PayPal account and see if the funds is showing. Okay, let me log in. This captcha is something. Okay, and that captcha. Um, I have enabled two-factor authentication, so there will be a code on my phone, on my authentication app. I have to enter the code here, and then so that yeah, this I have to do it to avoid hackers and all those things to my account. Even if you get my email and my password, you can't log in because of this authentication code. Okay. No, 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 no. It's six. It's six, not eight. It's six. Sorry. Let me do it well. Six. Yeah. Continue and then see. Go. Okay. Let's go home. Let's go to the homepage. Wow. 240. It's landed. Oh my god. Yes. This is very interesting. This is not just 240. This is just on Fiverr. And then this just one of my new accounts that I have opened. I'm not talking of my eBay account and all those things that uh, and other programs that I've run. Okay, so let me transfer this to my account. This I'm transferring to my UBA account. I'm transferring it to my UBA Africa. That's my card 2513. I have to be sure because I want it to go to my UBA. Let me check the card if it is 2513, the last 3 digits. Let me go to the next. So basically, PayPal is going to charge $5 per transaction. That's what they charge. So I'm going to get 235 into my card. And the card is UBA, and then I can withdraw either from the ATM with my card, or I can transfer from my card to my UBA account. Yes, I've already linked the card to my UBA bank account, so I can literally just transfer own account, transfer from the card to my this. Okay, let me confirm if the card detail is correct. Let me pause the video and confirm if the card is correct. Okay, let's continue. It's correct. It's 2513. So transferred successfully. You've transferred 235 to your account. You click done and then let me go to my if you know it's GTP secure card. Let me go to the UBA Africa. Yes, UBA Africa card. Guys, if you I'm going to show you all. If you join our program, I'm going to show you how you can get this card, how you can get your PayPal account. That's me, Robert Kofi Esiedu card, and then it's 251. And here's the current balance 1,407.7 cedis. It's landed. That's January 22nd. People are complaining January is too long. January is too long. So they are waiting for their paycheck. Mine just arrived. I got one on 15th and another one here. See it here. PayPal, Robert Kofi Esiedu Singapore. 1,433 and the fee is 28 cedis on eBay side, on UBA side, leaving me with 1,400. So this, I either go to the ATM and withdraw with my card, or I just transfer from my card to my bank, my savings account, and I'm done. So guys, this is very serious, and you have to very nice program, and you have to join us, join our program, and then you really enjoy it. Thank you.